SI-124LD Plus. The SI-124LD Plus is an advanced acoustic imaging camera designed to make sound visible. It streamlines tasks such as detecting gas leaks and pinpointing your own discharge. By simply walking around the inspection area, the camera's microphones capture sounds in the 2 to 65 kHz frequency range, displaying the results on the screen. Much like a thermal camera, it features an auto distance function that calculates the distance between the sound source and the device. This technology proves invaluable in industrial settings where detecting air and gas leaks quickly is essential for both safety and cost reduction. Leaks in compressed air systems, for example, can lead to significant energy waste. With this device, locating them becomes effortless, reducing downtime and improving overall efficiency. By scanning an area in real time, users can immediately see where a leak originates, making it a powerful tool for maintenance teams. A key advantage of the FLIR S124LD Plus is its ability to work in noisy environments. The built-in artificial intelligence isolates the sound of leaks from background noise, ensuring precise identification even in challenging conditions. Whether in a factory, a refinery, or an outdoor industrial facility, this capability allows for accurate detection without the need for shutdowns. The camera's intuitive interface and lightweight design make it easy to use, even for those unfamiliar with acoustic imaging technology. The device provides a clear visual representation of sound waves, overlaying them onto a real-world image to highlight problem areas. Users can adjust settings to refine their inspections further, ensuring no leak goes unnoticed. Additionally, the FLIR Acoustic Camera Viewer cloud service enhances functionality by allowing users to generate comprehensive reports with just a few clicks. These reports include estimated energy loss calculations, helping organizations understand the financial impact of leaks and prioritize repairs accordingly. The ability to store and analyze data over time also enables predictive maintenance strategies, reducing the likelihood of unexpected failures. Beyond leak detection, the FLIR SI-124LD Plus has applications in electrical inspection. It can identify partial discharge in high-voltage systems, helping prevent equipment failures and costly downtime. By detecting insulation breakdowns before they become serious issues, companies can enhance the reliability of their electrical infrastructure. With its precision, ease of use, and cloud-based reporting capabilities, the FLIR SI-124LD Plus is an essential tool for professionals seeking to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain safety in industrial environments. Hilti JBot. The future of construction has arrived, and Hilti is at the forefront with their JBot, the first robot ever designed to drill and mark holes. Operating semi-autonomously, JBot requires the operator to use a remote control to guide it to the target area. Once there, the robot takes over, drilling and marking all accessible holes with impressive precision. This is made possible by BIM model data, along with its compatibility with the automated Hilti PLT300 tachometer. The fully electric JBot boasts a battery life of up to 8 hours, and it even comes equipped with an integrated dust extraction system to ensure a cleaner working environment. Hilti claims that JBot helps alleviate skilled labor shortages, making it a valuable addition to job sites where human resources are limited. In addition to increasing efficiency, the robot also contributes to a safer work environment by performing repetitive tasks that would otherwise be done by workers, minimizing the risk of injury. This cutting-edge technology marks a significant advancement in the construction industry, offering not only efficiency and precision, but also the potential to change how projects are managed and executed. The ability to complete tasks faster and more accurately could revolutionize construction sites, paving the way for further automation and reducing the need for manual labor in some areas. Hilti believes that JBot is more than just a tool for the present, but a glimpse into the future of construction. Its ability to integrate seamlessly with other tech. Hobbs Vertical ICE. At first glance, the Hobbs VCF formwork system might appear too lightweight and simple. You may even think that builders are working on dollhouses, since the material consists of plastic and expanded polyene foam. However, despite its unassuming appearance, this formwork is highly effective, making it an ideal choice for regions frequently exposed to strong winds and seismic activity. One of the standout benefits of the Hobbs VCF system is its efficiency in both time and material usage. Compared to many conventional alternatives, it can cut assembly time by up to 50% and reduce concrete consumption by as much as 40%. This not only speeds up construction, but also minimizes material costs, making it a cost-effective solution for large-scale projects. The system is designed with ease of use in mind. Builders can quickly assemble the interlocking panels without the need for heavy machinery or specialized tools. This lightweight nature also makes transportation and handling far more convenient than traditional formwork systems. Since labor costs can be a significant portion of any construction project, the simplicity of this system helps reduce overall expenses while maintaining structural integrity. In regions where natural disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes are a constant threat, structural resilience is crucial. The Hobbs VCF system enhances the durability of buildings by providing a reinforced structure that can withstand environmental stress. The combination of plastic and foam materials creates a formwork that remains intact while offering strong support for poured concrete. This results in a more durable and long-lasting building that meets high safety standards. For projects with tight deadlines, a specialized version of the Hobbs VCF system is available to further accelerate construction. In this variation, the studs are concealed within the foam panel, allowing stucco to be applied directly onto the surface. By eliminating additional preparation steps, this feature speeds up the finishing process and reduces labor time. It's an ideal solution for builders looking to complete projects efficiently without compromising on quality. Additionally, the insulation properties of the foam panels contribute to improved energy efficiency. Structures built using the Hobbs VCF system benefit from superior thermal insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce heating and cooling costs. This makes it an attractive choice for sustainable construction projects where energy efficiency is a priority. Whether for residential, commercial, or industrial applications, the Hobbs VCF formwork system offers a combination of strength, efficiency, and ease of use. Its ability to withstand harsh conditions, minimize material waste, and expedite construction makes it a valuable innovation in modern building techniques. Lusum, what if concrete could transmit light just by adding optical fibers? It may sound unbelievable, but this is a real building material that's already being mass-produced. To make it convenient, it is manufactured in panel form. One particular model, for example, has dimensions of 20 by 65 by 3 centimeters. Available color options include gray, anthracite, and ivory. These panels are suitable for both straightforward interior applications like partitions and more intricate designs such as bar counters and sinks. Designers have limitless creative possibilities with this material. For instance, pool dividers can be customized to glow in reaction to water movement. By integrating sensors, these panels can create stunning visual effects, transforming a simple wall into an interactive design element. Beyond aesthetics, this material also brings practical benefits. The light transmission property can enhance visibility in dim spaces without requiring additional lighting sources. This not only saves energy but also introduces a futuristic look to any interior. Another exciting application is in retail and commercial environments. Storefronts, signage, and display units can use these panels to create an eye-catching effect, drawing attention while maintaining an elegant and modern MSE wall coping panels. MSE blocks arrive at the construction site prefabricated, ready to be turned into parapets specifically designed to meet each project's unique needs. For instance, when used on a bridge, they can be modified to fit railings, streetlights, and drainage systems. Since these blocks come in non-standard shapes, they help workers save both time and effort, no matter how complex the design. One of the biggest advantages is that using precast reinforced concrete is significantly easier compared to working with monolithic concrete. Another key benefit of MSE blocks is their large size. A standard block measures 3 meters in length, allowing for quick installation. Even with just one piece of equipment for lifting, the work is completed efficiently, minimizing labor and construction time. Beyond their practical benefits, MSE blocks contribute to overall structural stability. The reinforced concrete provides durability, ensuring long-lasting performance in various construction applications. Whether for roads, bridges, or other infrastructure projects, these blocks offer a reliable and effective solution. Additionally, shotcrete is commonly used in conjunction with MSE blocks. This method is widely applied, from reinforcing mines to repairing bridges, demonstrating its versatility across different industries. The combination of precast elements and shotcrete reinforcement makes construction faster, safer, and more cost-effective. MSE wall coping panels provide a seamless blend of efficiency, durability, and adaptability. By reducing manual labor, simplifying installation, and ensuring structural integrity, they continue to play a crucial role in modern construction, proving that innovation in materials can lead to significant improvements in building processes. NPS Flex. The construction industry accounts for up to 60% of the world's raw materials, such as metals, minerals, and wood. Doesn't it make sense to use these valuable resources more effectively? This is exactly where the NPS Flex system comes into play. Picture a building that's constructed with this innovative system. After many years of service, when the building reaches the end of its lifespan, this is where NPS Flex truly stands out. Rather than demolishing the entire structure, you can simply take it apart, recover the system's components, and reuse them in future projects. Isn't that incredible? The ability to recycle and repurpose materials reduces waste and conserves valuable resources, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Additionally, projects utilizing NPS Flex can reduce on-site labor by as much as 80%, resulting in significant cost savings and improved efficiency. Not only that, but buildings can be completed 40% faster, making the entire construction process quicker and more streamlined. The speed at which projects are completed can greatly benefit both contractors and clients, allowing for faster returns on investment. With all these advantages, it's clear that NPS Flex offers a host of benefits. However, you might be wondering if there's a downside to this system. While it's designed to be efficient and sustainable, it's important to consider all aspects of its use to determine if it's the right choice for your specific needs. Whether the reduced environmental impact, cost savings, or faster construction times are your main priorities, NPS Flex provides a forward-thinking solution that could transform the future of construction. Perry Alpha Kit. The Perry Alpha Kit is a versatile and flexible construction kit that proves particularly useful in building tunnels and bridges. It is especially designed for assembling shoring towers or support systems for various bridge components. With the Alpha Kit, assembly is quick and easy, as it utilizes pins instead of bolts, eliminating the issue of stripped threads. Unlike bolts, which require tightening, the pins can be securely placed with a simple hammer strike, making the process faster and more efficient. This approach significantly reduces the effort and time involved in securing parts, ensuring that the assembly moves along smoothly without unnecessary delays. Furthermore, the parts of the Alpha Kit are lightweight enough to allow for pre-assembly without the need for a crane, providing great convenience when working in areas where lifting equipment is not available or practical. Despite their light weight, the components are strong and durable, capable of supporting the construction of trusses that can span impressive distances. In fact, the Alpha Kit is robust enough to create trusses with spans of up to 28 meters, making it ideal for large-scale bridge construction projects. The ability to quickly assemble and disassemble the kit, combined with its strength and flexibility, makes the Perry Alpha Kit a valuable tool in any construction project. It provides an efficient solution for temporary and permanent support structures, allowing for faster project completion and greater overall reliability. Whether building a small bridge or a large-scale tunnel, the Alpha Kit offers the flexibility and strength necessary to meet the demands of modern construction. With its easy assembly process and versatile application, it is an indispensable tool for engineers and contractors in the field of construction. Perry Skyflex. Perry Skyflex is a modular system that effectively solves multiple construction challenges while offering innovative solutions to builders. One key feature is its roll lock technology, which enables beams to automatically position themselves and lock securely in place using gravity. The system includes durable polymer inserts that are pre-designed for nailing, making the assembly process even more efficient. Additionally, all aluminum components in Perry Skyflex are lightweight with none exceeding 22 kilograms. This makes handling and installation much easier on site. A standout advantage of this system is the specially designed assembly tool, which eliminates the need for ladders. This allows just 2 workers to complete the entire setup safely from the ground, reducing risks and improving efficiency. Another benefit of Perry Skyflex is its adaptability to different construction projects. Whether it's for residential buildings, commercial spaces, or large-scale infrastructure, this system ensures speed and precision. WoodTech Element Bautisch. The WoodTech Element Bautisch is a highly functional assembly table specifically designed for building wooden frames. A standard module measures 1.5 by 3 meters and can be easily connected to other modules of the same size. The overall size of the table is flexible and depends on the available space in the workshop and the client's budget. One of the key features of this table is its entire grid system, which is incredibly useful for setting up jacks and other tools, allowing for efficient work even when working alone. The grid makes it easy to stay organized and work quickly, improving overall productivity. Additionally, the yellow lines on the grid are marked with metric scales, which greatly enhances precision and ensures accurate measurements throughout the assembly process. This feature is particularly beneficial when working on complex or detailed tasks that require a high level of accuracy. The modules of the WoodTech Element Bautisch are made using CNC machines, which ensures a very smooth and high-quality finish. This precision manufacturing process is important as it allows for easy identification of any misalignment in the mounted components, even if they are minor. The attention to detail in the design and construction of the modules makes it easier to achieve the perfect fit, contributing to the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the assembly process. Whether you're working on a small project or a larger construction task, the WoodTech Element Bautisch provides a versatile and reliable solution for creating wooden frames. With its modular design, precision features, and easy-to-use grid system, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their assembly workflow and achieve greater accuracy and efficiency in their work. Module stairs are an innovative modular staircase solution designed to offer both flexibility and efficiency in a wide variety of architectural and construction projects. These stairs come with a prefabricated system that simplifies the installation process, making it quicker and more straightforward while ensuring the structure remains durable and visually appealing. Thanks to their customizable configurations, module stairs can be easily adjusted to accommodate different heights, spaces, and design preferences. This adaptability makes them suitable for a range of applications, whether residential, commercial, or industrial. One of the key features of these modular stairs is their ability to be assembled quickly, eliminating the need for extensive structural modifications. This significantly reduces the overall construction time and labor costs, allowing projects to stay on schedule and within budget. Additionally, module stairs are available in various materials and finishes, offering flexibility to meet the specific aesthetic and functional requirements of each project. Whether used indoors or outdoors, the stairs can seamlessly blend with a wide variety of design schemes, enhancing the look and functionality of any space. The modular nature of these stairs allows for quick installation with minimal disruption, making them a practical solution for both new constructions and renovations. Their durability ensures a long-lasting investment, and their aesthetic appeal can be customized to match any interior or exterior environment. By offering both ease of installation and a high degree of versatility, module stairs provide a cost-effective and attractive staircase option for any construction project, whether it's for a home, office, or commercial building.